How to change contact color on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on any contact from here. Here, you can view and edit this contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Photo. Once you're here, tap on Monogram at the bottom. Tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. You can now change the background color from here. And then, tap on Done. After previewing, tap on Continue below. Tap on Continue again. Following these steps, you can easily change contact color on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.